Hello everyone, I am Shravan Goyal. I manage equity funds across ETF, index fund and arbitrage category at UTI Mutual Fund. आज हम एक बहुत ही इनोवेटिव प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बात करेंगे। ये फैक्टर बेस्ड स्मार्ट मीटर स्ट्रेटजी पे आधारित एक कंसेप्ट है। ये मोमेंटम स्ट्रेटजी के बारे में हम लोग बात करेंगे, जिसमें कंपनीज आर सेलेक्टेड बेस्ड ऑन their prior trends. So if companies are performing very well in the recent past, those companies are selected based on their relative risk adjusted price momentum. UTI Nifty 200 Momentum 30 Index Fund एक पैसिवली मैनेज स्मार्ट बीटा फंड है, जिसका ऑब्जेक्टिव निफ्टी 200 मोमेंटम 30 इंडेक्स के स्टॉक्स में सेम प्रोपोर्शन में इन्वेस्ट करना है। और इन टर्म्स ऑफ रिटर्न्स आल्सो, सिंस इट्स अ पैसिवली मैनेज फंड, तो आपका रिटर्न जो फंड का है वो भी बेंचमार्क से काफी क्लोज रहेगा। ग्लोबली स्मार्ट बीटा स्ट्रेटजीज काफी पॉपुलर है एंड स्पेशली मोमेंटम बेस्ड स्मार्ट बीटा स्ट्रेटजी ने काफी अच्छा परफॉर्म किया है। यूएस में एमएससीआई यूएस मोमेंटम इंडेक्स ने ब्रॉड मार्केट इंडेक्स एसएनपी 500 को लास्ट 5 इयर्स में ऑलमोस्ट 5 परसेंटेज पॉइंट से बीट किया है, जो कि एक बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट है। द स्ट्रेटजी ऑफ इन्वेस्टिंग बेस्ड ऑन रिसेंट स्टॉक ट्रेंड्स इज कॉल्ड मोमेंटम स्ट्रेटजी। A trend can have different meaning in different contexts. For example, if something is trending in automobile or electronics, that means that particular style has gained popularity amongst people, and people have started liking that kind of style. A strategy of investing based on recent stock trends is called momentum strategy. A trend can have different meaning in different contexts. For example, if something is trending in electronics or automobile, that means that particular product has gained momentum or popularity amongst people. And a trend doesn't just highlight what has happened in the past, but it also gives certain inferences of what can be expected in the future. This is the reason why an informed batsman is more likely to get selected in the national team, because of his recent performance and momentum on his side. He is expected to perform well in the coming matches. Similarly, in investing, momentum investing is based on the hypothesis that recent market trends persist for medium to long term. So buying recent winners and selling recent losers have generated good results. In India, Nifty indices have various smart beta strategies, including momentum. In this particular index, 30 best performing companies based on their previous 6-month and 1-year risk adjusted returns are selected. And this particular portfolio or index is rebalanced on every 6 monthly basis every year in June and December. The weight of a particular stock is calculated based on the size of the company and relative momentum score. So weight of a particular company is determined based on product of free float market capitalization of the company and normalized momentum score of that particular company. Nifty 200 Momentum 30 Index का performance बहुत अच्छा रहा है। In previous 16 years, 13 years Momentum Index ने Nifty 200 Index को beat किया है, यानी Nifty 200 Index से better returns generate किया है। अगर आप 5-year rolling performance का बात करेंगे, तो हम पाएंगे कि 98% of the time in previous 15 years, Momentum Index has delivered better returns as compared to Nifty 200 Index. In comparison to other smart beta strategies such as low volatility, quality, value, or for that matter, multi-factor smart beta strategies, this particular strategy has performed really very well. So now let me highlight few of the risks of this particular strategy and how index is trying to mitigate some of these risks. So हम देखेंगे कि Momentum by nature एक aggressive investment style है, and it may undergo a period of underperformance in the short term. So people who are having slightly higher risk appetite and slightly longer time horizon should consider this kind of smart beta strategy, because in the long run, this particular strategy has performed exceedingly well. So now let me highlight a few of the risks of this strategy and how index is trying to mitigate some of these risks. So generally मोमेंटम एक एग्रेसिव इन्वेस्टमेंट स्टाइल है और जनरली इन द शॉर्ट टर्म ये काफी वॉलेटाइल भी रहता है, बट टू गार्डरेल द डाउनटर्न एंड कंसीडरिंग वॉलेटाइल नेचर ऑफ द इंडेक्स, 5% stock hedge is applied at the time of rebalancing, and apart from that, to maintain the liquidity of the portfolio, companies which are part of derivatives are only considered at the time of rebalancing. So people who are having slightly higher risk appetite and people who are ready to take slightly more risk as compared to broad market indices should consider this kind of strategy, which has performed really very well in the long run. To summarize, UTI Nifty 200 Momentum 30 Index Fund एक पैसिवली मैनेज स्मार्ट बीटा स्ट्रेटजी है, जो कि मोमेंटम फैक्टर पे आधारित है। People who want to take benefit of smart beta strategies at low cost should consider this particular strategy. This fund is available on Grove platform from 18th February to 4th March 2021. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.